Video game music shouldn't be possible. You see, music is linear. If you listen to a piece of music, it starts at the beginning, goes through the middle, and goes to the end. And if you listen to it again, for the most part, it will do exactly the same thing. You can even leave the room and come back and the music will play. Video games, on the other hand, are interactive. The player acts on a game world, the game world responds in some way, and now the player has new actions. You can't know exactly what the player is going to do until they do it, and every gameplay experience is unique. So video game music seems like it shouldn't be possible. How can you write music, linear music, in advance that in any way matches what's happening in an interactive, unpredictable gameplay? Well, there's a technique called adaptive music. It's been around for a few decades now, and basically what it allows is composers can write music in a specific way that it can be automatically rearranged to somewhat more fit the gameplay actions. Adaptive music is a very powerful technique for game music, but it has some drawbacks. The first drawback is because adaptive music has to be written in some very specific ways, it can reduce the emotional expression, the expressive range of the music. Secondly, adaptive music just takes a lot of time and effort and labor to produce, certainly compared to linear music. Now, we believe a field called computational creativity can be used to help address these weaknesses. Computational creativity refers to using artificial intelligence techniques and models, but applied to creative tasks, such as the generation of music. Depending on the model used, computationally creative systems can be used to write music that matches a very particular set of inputs. And additionally, computationally creative systems can write music extremely quickly. Some are fast enough that they can write music as they're playing it. We believe that computational creativity's strengths make it a perfect fit for helping shore up adaptive music's weaknesses. And there's really only one question we have to answer. How can we represent a video game automatically in a way that we can then generate music automatically that matches it? What we do is we take a cue from film music. Film music most often is used to enhance the the emotional expression of a scene. A sad scene with sad music is made more sad. We're hoping to do that with video game music too. We're currently training our multi-track music machine to create music that matches a particular input emotion, and again, it can do this very rapidly. And we're also developing a model that can take a gameplay and try to describe what emotion it thinks is being expressed by the gameplay based on what the user is doing. Hopefully, when we hook all of these up, we will have a video game that, as it's being played, is generating music that is unique and particular to how the player is playing. My name is Cale Plut. I'm at the School of Interactive Arts and Technology. Thank you.